How to download Threads on Android. So this will work the same whether you're on your phone or on a tablet. So the first step we all need to do is click on the Play Store. So go ahead and go on to the Google Play Store on your device. At the top there, click on the search bar. Then you want to type in Threads. Once you've typed in Threads and click the search button at the bottom right hand corner, you should see the @ logo that says Threads and Instagram app. That's the one you're going to want to click. Then you want to click on install. Then it's going to take either a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your download speed. But you should eventually see open here, so you can click on that or go to the home page of your Android device. Then click on the Threads app, which should be downloaded. Once you've done that, you can either log in to an existing account or you can sign up for one and create an account. If you don't know how to do that, there's a link on the screen and in the description below about how to create an account on Threads. But if this helped, please do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.